Hey guys, Apple Maniac YT here. So, as you saw from the title and thumbnail of this YouTube video, today I found this product red iPhone XR in the Target recycling bin. So, unfortunately, this is the only thing I found. The bin was completely full of ink cartridges and literally nothing else other than this iPhone XR, which I barely saw. It was in a case. I barely saw the camera poking out in between some ink cartridges, and I literally flipped out when I saw it. I grabbed it, got out of there so quickly, then noticed the screen was pretty messed up and realized that it's passcode and iCloud locked. So that's unfortunate. There was no SIM card in it and there is no medical ID, as you can tell, but it does work. The screen is extremely cracked. It's very bad. I cut myself the moment I grabbed it, so that hurt pretty bad. The touchscreen still does work, which is great. So does the LCD, so no problems there. The back and sides are in amazing condition. It was a little bit dirty in the charging port, and there's some dirt stuck in the speaker holes, if it's hard to tell. But before I could get it to work, I had to clean so much dirt and dust and hair out of the charging port. It was absolutely disgusting. But once I got it all out, charged up just fine, and I'm still yet to clear out the speakers. So what am I going to do with this iCloud locked iPhone XR? So what I'm going to be doing with this iPhone XR, since the housing is in good condition and the screen is still at least functional, I'm going to be taking it apart and swapping the iCloud locked logic board that's in here with a blacklisted logic board that is fully functional from a black iPhone XR and putting it into here. That logic board works just fine. It's just blacklisted, so that way I'll be able to sell this iPhone XR on eBay, and I'm hoping to make at least $90. So let's just go ahead and get that done so that we can see the final results of this bin find iPhone XR.
3 hours later.
Alright, so it's been about 3 hours since I've decided to be patient with this iPhone XR during the repair due to the shattered screen, but now we have a somewhat functioning iPhone XR that's no longer just straight iCloud locked. Let me show you. So this is the final result of the bin find iPhone XR. Go ahead and unlock it. And you can see I've set the red wallpaper for the iPhone XR, as the phone is now a red one instead of a black one. Now, this iPhone XR logic board that I used for this project is running iOS 15.4 beta 1, as you can tell right there. And I keep getting the iOS 15 beta is expired pop-up. So let me just do something to trigger it. Close and open. Yep, there we go. A new iOS update is now available. Please update from the iOS 15 beta. So I may update it, I may not, and I'm not honestly sure if I'm going to be listing on eBay or not, because I kind of like having this, even with the shattered screen, it being blacklisted, and unfortunately Face ID does not work. And this is because the flex cable for the earpiece speaker that went with the logic board was damaged, so I was unfortunately not able to retain Face ID, but I still have the earpiece speaker, so maybe someday I'll put a new flex cable on it if I keep the phone. But let me just demonstrate. Face ID is not available. You know, everyone knows this pop-up. Try setting up Face ID later. So Face ID does not work. It has a battery health of, I believe, 83%. There we go, 83%, as you can tell right there. So that's not too bad for an iPhone XR. And it's a 64 gigabyte. So this is it, the Target bin find red iPhone XR that I have now repaired into a halfway functioning iPhone XR. When I took it out of the bin, it was passcode locked with no SIM card, no medical ID, and FMI on, and now it is just blacklisted, has damaged Face ID, and has the shattered screen. Honestly, not too bad for completely free, as I got the logic board for free as well. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and like any other Apple Maniac YT video, peace out, guys.